Welcome to Villaluce Wine Agriturismo, part of the Morami wine estate. Located near Lake Trasimeno, here Italian wine tradition blends with peaceful rural landscapes. I start walking along a typical Tuscan lane, with tall trees on both sides, poplars and cypresses that offer shade and calm. Villaluce is part of the Morami wine region, with a winemaking tradition dating back to the 18th century. The soil here is rich and well-drained, ideal for local grape varieties. The Mediterranean climate brings mild temperatures and dry summers, perfect for the red and white wines produced here. The estate attracts wine lovers seeking an authentic experience amid nature, where each season influences the harvest. Nearby, Lake Trasimeno adds beauty to the landscape as the largest lake in central Italy. I continue along the tree-lined path which seems to whisper old stories about the people of this land. Villaluce is a place where tradition and sustainable farming coexist, and every vine is carefully tended. Traditional methods are preserved here, and the wine is the result of careful work and respect for the soil. The rural area keeps simple architecture with a unique charm, reflecting the strong bond between people, nature, and the land. Over the years, many locals and winemakers have visited to uncover the secrets of Morami wine. I arrive among rustic buildings with stone walls and red tile roofs, typical of traditional Tuscan architecture. Some are slightly worn but still hold the mark of 19th century rural life and history. These buildings served as homes for vineyard workers and as farm outbuildings for tools and agricultural products. The simple yet functional architecture shows how life adapted to the countryside, focusing on durability and purpose. This place gives a sense of calm and connection to the past, a bridge between times long gone and today. Wine here is more than a drink, it's a story to find. Subscribe for the next quiet journey.